Ron.
Test mic, 1, 2. Thank you kasi late ako dumating. Prince, sobrang thank you. In-invite mo ako dito sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and maging responsable tayo ka sa mga anak mo.
Hindi pa ba?
Yan lang naman, and I hope na magandang future ng family mo. So, thank you talaga ulit. Yan. Ang next ko mag-message, si Miss Kat.
Next na ba? Hindi.
Naka-video.
Ha?
Video.
Video din? Yun. Actually, hindi ko na kailangan mag-wish para sa friend ko na to. Alam na niya yun. Even on and off, message without message, one pain at a time. Magkakaintindihan pa rin kami at magkakaintindihan yan. In-blink ko pa na eh. Alam ko kung ano ibig sabihin niya at alam niya kung ano ibig sabihin ko. Parang sister and brother from a different mother. Yun, kami yun ni Prince. Starting 2011. Oh. Si Ron, hindi natin yung kakilala noon.
Kasi
hindi na ako mag-wish.
Hindi, supervisor agad siya nun eh.
Oo, supervisor siya, level 1 lang tayo.
Oo.
Pero inuutosan natin siya.
Tama.
Hindi ko na patatagalin kasi marami pang mag-wish para sa'yo. Yung totoong wish. Kasi ako, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung wish ko sa'yo, friend. Kasi alam ko naman lahat na ng pangarap mo sa life is natupad mo. Meron ka ng pretty wife, loving wife. Meron kang son, meron kang daughter. Wish ko na lang dagdagan mo pa. Alam ko kaya mo yan.
Ayoko na.
Alam ko kaya mo yan. Kasi nung binata at dalaga pa tayo, medyo hindi ka kasi. Yan. Pero ngayon alam ko kaya mo yan. And I wish you all the best, my friend, my dear friend, my brother, in my soul. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Shared na po kami doon.
Happy birthday ulit, Prince.
Ayaw ko pumayag. Ako po ay sabit lang. Happy birthday, Prince. Ito kasi basta pumunta ako dyan sa ruling eh. Siya yung nag-aasikaso. Walang pila.
Huy!
Sa backdoor lang tayo.
Ala!
Approve na agad pagdating mo.
Naririnig tayo ng mga boss. Yung nagre-react.
Ay, hindi po, wala po kayo narinig.
May queuing, napila po sila.
May number pa nga po kami. Ayun, wala naman po akong mag-wish kundi happy birthday, good health, maganda naman yung pamilya niya. So, laging pag may okasyon yata, invitado kami dalawa eh. So, anong namin ko na. Huli na lang, mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So, I'm Anne. Not me to see Prince, still my husband, because they're friends and former colleagues sa Motor Central. And I remember na sobrang gaan ng loob ko kay Prince when I first met him. And ayun, naging friends kami. And I remember one time we had this chat, nag-chat sa akin si Prince, and it was at a point in his life wherein parang hindi siya, parang nasa ano siya, he's trying to decide on his career. So, I remember I told you partner, kaya mga partner tawag ko sa kanya kasi we have some small business and naging mag-partner kami. Mahilig kami dati before sa mga racket-racket, alam mo yun. So I told him that, you know, you're still young and, you know, the world is big. There's so much opportunities waiting for you. So don't limit yourself you have to keep on exploring. So my wish for you, sa 40th birthday mo, you look so young. No, you look so young, so keep it that way. I really wish that you will continue to learn more, to grow more with your family. And always remember that whatever you have right now, you deserve it because you work hard for that. Okay? So we love you, and stay grounded and stay as kind as you are. Happy birthday.
What about Sian? Is it Sian?
My name is Sian. Ninong ko po si Ninong Prince. Sabit lang din po ako. Pero naalala ko po yung time ng COVID-19. Tapos kayo po yung nag-assist sa amin na magpaturok po ako. So thank you rin po doon. Wish ko po sa inyo is happy kayo sa family ninyo and continue being successful. That's all. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you so much, guys. So moving on to the next. I'll start siguro HMO staff, Karen and Joanna.
Today, we celebrate our remarkable person who has been an inspiration to us. Happy birthday to Sir Prince. Your leadership, guidance, and support have been valuable to us. Never grateful for the opportunity to work alongside you. You motivate us to be better, challenge us to excel, and always lead by example. Your dedication and hard work do not get unnoticed, and we're lucky to have you as a supervisor. Grateful to be part of your journey. Thank you for being an inspiring leader and guiding us with your wisdom. And thank you for everything you do, for creating an environment where ideas grow and purpose leads us always. We are grateful to work under your guidance. Once again, on behalf of the team, HMO team, we wish a birthday filled with joy, laughter, and all the things that make you happy. Again, happy birthday, Sir Prince. Wala akong kontribution.
Happy birthday, Sir Prince. Sa 3 taon natin hindi na pagkakasama sa at sa being supervisor ko, masasabi ko napaka-grateful ako. Kasi napaka-motivated, no? Walang sawa kayong gumagayad sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Alam namin ang hirap mo, kasama kami sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Ang wish ko, happy birthday and more birthday ko to come and good health always.
Iyakin pala si Joe. Okay, so move on. Eto muna. Famous Sarah muna.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Zaira, former colleague of Prince from a recruitment agency in Alabang. So I'm quite surprised that I was invited here kasi we lost contact kasi after. But then again, nung memories ko with Prince will be forever etched in my, not just in my mind, but in my heart. Kasi just like what she said, Prince was my partner also in recruitment. And every day, I look forward going to work because of him, because of his presence, because of his friendship na din. So, thank you very much, Prince, for inviting me, and I hope that this will start again our communication. Kasi right after his work sa recruitment agency, medyo nawalan kami ng contact. So, yun. I wish you good health and have a wonderful family. Nagulat ako, 2 na yung baby mo. So, yun lang. Good luck.
And congratulations. And kung anong meron ka, very deserving ka with all the good things that's happening in your life. So I'm always here. Just send me a message. Yun. So keep in touch. And congratulations with all the happenings in your life. You deserve it. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Ira. So, sino ba? Okay, Nelia, and then CJ, and then Jay.
Friend? Friend, ano sasabihin ko? Hey, friend, happy birthday, my true friend. Wishing you all the best. Tandaan mo, friend, 1.2 B. Kaya na. Yun lang, friend. Wishing you all the best. Love you.
Friend, happy birthday! Thank you for inviting me. Nakaka-touch na Gusto pala ako sa mga halaga mong kaibigan. Ayun, more blessings to come and stay happy. Batang-bata sa 40.
Friend, happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me here in this special day. Thank you for being a true friend since Outing Buddies group 2017 until now present. Wish ko sa'yo more success and be happy always. Thank you. And then Miss Joanne.
Hello. Happy birthday, DJ. Why DJ? Sabi niya kasi kamukha niya si Daniel Padilla. And I agree naman. So pinalitan ko yung pangalan mo sa messenger na DJ. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health. And to your family. And wish ko, sana marami pang mahabang taon, maraming taon pa tayong magkasama. As partners, sa, sa collections, pagbalik natin, may lulutasin pa tayo. Thank you for inviting me here. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. So, syempre, mawawala ba ang mga big boss? I'll start with Ms. Ninang Tessa Alcantara.
Donnie na, I love you.
Dito ako sa tabi, makahimatay ako. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Hindi po ako mag-i-English kasi hindi ako marunong mag-English. Sa akin pong paborito, si Prince po, ang prinsipe ng buhay ko. Tama po yung nakalagay sa invitasyon. A man of charm and grace. You're so graceful. Napakaswerte po namin, no? On a professional level, ang swerte po ng UniHealth because of Prince. Siya po ay Hall of Famer na sa pagiging model employee. Gusto ko na pong ipatigil yung kanyang lagi na lang every month siya ang employee of the month. For how many years na, lagi na lang siya. Pero wala pong nakakatalo sa kanyang sa kalibre niya. Sa personal naman, anak, alam mo yan. Hindi ko na po hahabaan, alam niya sa puso niya, alam ko din sa puso ko kung gaano ko siya kamahal. At ang wish ko, anak, sa iyong pamilya, tama na yung dalawa. Dalawa na lang talaga, tama na yun. Kasi mas maliit, mas magiging mabibigay mo yung di ba, Madeline? Tama na yung dalawa, no? Mag-enjoy. At tanda mo lang, anak, anything, everything that you need, call ka lang sa akin, text mo lang ako. I wish you all the best. Yun lang. I love you, anak.
Thank Thank you po, Ninang Tess. And of course, I'll start with Dr. Arroyo. Sorry, hindi ko po alam yung first name niya.
Hi, Prince. Si Prince talaga naman. Mahinahon tao eh. He's parang jewel siya ng company natin. Malamang hindi to sa pambobola dahil birthday mo, Prince. Malamang hindi tayo makakarating dun sa pamamayagpag ng company natin without your help. Although it's a team effort, the same manner na kung hindi ni Ma'am tatantanan ng kanyang asawa at magdadala ng pasyente, wala rin mangyayari sa atin. It's a team effort. We're very fortunate that yung team namin sa hospital, we were blessed by God na nagkita-kita kami sa isang lugar, isang panahon, at nagkikita kami eye to eye regarding our professional advancement. And masarap kasi magtrabaho kung tama yung tao na kapiling mo. Parang yung asawa namin, di ba? Matapang yung boss pero tama eh. Si Prince, mabait ka rin ba katulad ko? Masunurin ka rin ba? Okay. Alam mo, ang lalaki, parang simple. Sumunod ka lang. Katulad nung asawa ni Ma'am. Again, happy birthday. Para ka lang 32.
Thank you po, Doc Arroyo. And of course, Dr. Chessa Arroyo.
Hello. Good evening. Ako po si Chessa. I've been with Prince for 10 years. And let me tell you the story of how I first met Prince. Okay? So, nung time na yun, ang dami kong in-interview na kasama ni Prince para sa HMO staff. So, hindi lahat yun, di ba? Hindi ko kailangan ng madami. So, I had to choose among all of the staff that I interviewed. And yung iba, ibibigay namin sa ibang department. Okay? Si Prince, and I will never forget this, and I keep telling Georgie this, I keep telling this story to all my other staff members, wala po siyang experience sa healthcare. Nothing. Okay? Ang experience niya is retail, marketing, and yung sa recruitment. Okay? So yun ang experience niya. And I said, kaya mo ba? Kasi wala kang experience sa healthcare. Although, okay? And I have never once regretted that decision na tumaya kay Prince. Because I saw in him something that I don't usually see in other people na ini-interview ko. I saw in him someone na gusto niya talagang magtrabaho. Alam niya kung bakit niya gustong magtrabaho. At dahil doon sa dignidad niya na yon sa trabaho, makikita mo yung malasakit niya sa trabaho niya. Na yung trabaho niya, hindi lang trabaho. Pagkatao niya yun na pinapamahagi sa mga tao. Okay? Kinikilabutan ako. Kaya, kahit si Prince, wala siyang experience sa gagawin niya, okay? Ilang beses siyang nag-model employee. Because skills are easy to learn. But yung heart of working, you cannot learn that. Your work ethic, you cannot learn that. So, yan si Prince. And makikita niyo yun, yung pagkatao niya na yun, na to give of himself, na he's so selfless, all the malasakit, all the sacrifices that he's making. Makikita niyo yun hindi lang sa trabaho. Makikita niyo yun sa pamilya niya, sa mga magulang niya. Okay, bago siya, kasi na-meet ko si Prince, single pa siya. So nakita ko kung paano siya sa pamilya niya. Nakita ko kung paano siya sa asawa niya ngayon, sa mga anak niya. And these are things na hindi niyo hindi niyo matututunan in school. It's just how he is. So Prince, I hope that legacy that you have of who you are, how dedicated you are to serving others, sana makuha din ng mga anak mo. And I'm sure, just as sure as I was that I'm betting on the right person 10, 11 years ago, I'm sure that you and your family, you have a bright future ahead of you. So congratulations on your 40 years. I hope you can get 40 more years. And here's the Prince. Happy birthday.
Thank you all for the sweet and thoughtful messages. So let's move on. Moving on dito ba sa side na to, and then I'll start with Misha muna.
Kuya Prince, di ko alam sa masasabi ko lang is happy birthday. Tsaka, wag makakalimot na mag-thank you kay Lord. And then, sana mag-guide mo yung dalawang anak mo ng maayos. At sana lumaki sila na katulad mo at katulad ni ate. At sana, puro sana. Sana maging maayos yung family nyo at maganda. Tapos madaming future na maganda. And then sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. And wishing you all the best, good health, and happy family. Happy birthday.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ella, cousin of Madeline. So, for Prince, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang para sa'yo, more patience para sa dalawang bata. Alam mo nang lumalaki sila, nagiging makulit. So, yun lang. More happiness, success, and happy birthday.
Right, so thank you po. And then, Ate Charlene.
Happy birthday, bro. I love you. Wala na ako ibang mahihiling pa sa'yo. So, I wish, wala na akong ma-wish pa sa'yo kasi alam ko namang na natupad ko na rin lahat ng pangarap mo. Makapagtrabaho sa hospital kahit hindi ka doktor. And ang wish ko lang maging masaya yung family mo, maalagaan mo mabuti yung mga anak mo katulad ng pag-aalaga mo kay Adrian. So I'm very thankful na naging kapatid kita. I love you and happy birthday. Yun lang.
Thank you, Charlene. And you, Adrian?
Happy birthday. Batiin mo na lang.
So sabi niya, happy birthday na lang po. And JC, any message from the birthday? Sa birthday boy?
happy birthday, Herbert. Wish ko lang bigyan ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan sa araw-araw. God bless.
Thank you. And of course, Tita Irma.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Herbert. Ako lang yata tumatawag sa'yo na Herbert sa hospital. Happy birthday, advance. I wish you all the best, especially good health and more blessings. Thank you for the love. I love you. Happy birthday again.
Thank you po, Tita Irma. And of course, si Mama Nora.
Good evening, everyone. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo niyo sa birthday ng aking anak na si Prince. Prince Herbert, life begins at 40. Alam mo yan. Kaya, pagandahin mo ang pamilya mo. Mahalin mo ang iyong pamilya. Bumuo ka ng may isang magandang pamilya. Nalaramdaman ko namang maganda ang magiging future ng mga anak mo dahil sa iyo, sa pagsisikap mo. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday ulit, son. Herbert.
Thank you po. And last, Kuya L.A.
So, happy evening to everyone. So, tonight we are celebrating the milestone of my younger brother. So, I want you to toast a cheers for our special younger brother for his 4 decades of very inspiring life with his family, with us as our siblings. So, I wish you all, God's blessings and God's grace. So, continue to be a kind man and husband and father to your children. So, congrats. Happy 40th birthday. Cheers. 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 Happy birthday. Thank you for coming. We love you, Prince Herbert. Cheers. Match your glass.
Alright, so thank you guys for your sweet and thoughtful messages.